Nashville General Hospital has a wide variety of patients. We serve the underserved. We need to catch as soon as we can, and some of these women have not had mammography for a very long time. So it's important that when we do get them, we take care of them right away. We had a 2D system, and we were looking to upgrade. We also wanted a stereotactic upright unit to go with it. There are several other 3D tomography units on the market today. I find Fuji as the most user-friendly and patient-friendly. When my physicist told me how much he liked the picture quality and how outstanding it was, that's all I needed to hear.
The physicist did tell the Mammo tech that that was the best unit he has ever done a physicist test on, and he's been doing this for 20 years.
Our radiologists are very pleased with the quality of the images. The clarity supersedes what we've had before.
Our physician loves the images. He's actually pushing another facility that he works for to change their Mammo unit to the Fuji Mammo unit.
The one-touch button is so helpful. One of the benefits that I love is the fact that you touch the button and it goes from CC to MLO. It knows exactly what you need to do next, and it just lets the exam be more fluid. As a technologist, we pick the images we're going to use, we set it in the computer, it automatically switches from one projection to the next. Plus, it's very quick. They're in, they're out before they realize they've had a whole mammogram and they're ready to go home. It's really nice.
From an efficiency standpoint, on the Mammo side, it's given us about a 25 to 30% efficiency increase every day.
I find that the system is fully capable of handling our frequent use and exceeded expectations.
Now that we have 3D, we find things quicker. We had a patient recently that last year her mammogram was fine, and this year we found something and found out that it was cancer, and she was able to get it taken care of immediately. We don't do a lot of repeats. Sometimes we have to take extra views, which is very easy just to add on, which in some other systems it is not. But we have a lot less callbacks because we're getting the images we need the first time.
The overall appearance of the machine is inviting. The floral wrap automatically gets a lot of comments from our patients. It puts them at ease when they come in and it feels like it's something specially made for them. They love it. I love the Comfort Comp feature. It allows us to slowly decrease the amount of compression and help ease the patient discomfort without taking away from the image quality produced.
With the Fuji Cristalle, patients say to me all the time, "Are you compressing me?" And I tell them, not only am I compressing you, but I'm compressing you more than last year when you had yours. We love the Comfort Paddle, and the patients love the Comfort Paddle.
We couldn't be happier. The install of that unit was seamless, and we actually have an outpatient center coming in August, and we're putting the exact same Mammo unit in that outpatient center.
We need to be state-of-the-art, and Fujifilm, this unit is the best. Because of this machine and its technology, I get my mammogram here. I tell my friends, my family, we all come here. It's trustworthy.